In this video we will be covering purchase returns. To access this, on the side panel, click on Purchase Return under the Purchase section. There are two ways for you to create new transactions for purchase returns. One by clicking on the plus new button, another by clicking on the arrow down button next to new, where users have the options to copy from existing purchase invoice. But in this video we will be adding the transaction from scratch. Add relevant details such as supplier name, date, invoice number, return reason, to name a few. In the table section, add the account for purchase return and continue adding your details accordingly. Once done, click Save to commit changes. To perform knockoff against the purchase invoice, click on the drop-down arrow next to View and click Apply. A prompt window for a new knockoff entry will appear. Change the date according to when the knockoff is being done. Next, choose the correct document number that you would like to knock off against. In this case, we are knocking off the purchase return against its invoice. If the document is ticked correctly, the total applied amount should appear 0 at the bottom page. Click Save. To verify whether your purchase return transaction has been successfully reconciled, find the document in the listing section. Your document status should display as fully applied. That is how you create a purchase return document on AutoCount Cloud Accounting.